Hey everybody, it's Beto here. Welcome back to the channel, and it's time for a multi-token base chain update. And we got a few tokens here that I wanted to check out with you guys. Just check out the chart, considering that the market is pretty choppy, and I think it's good just to see how things are going. And we're starting with Shib on base. That's at a $5 million market cap, and it continues on a slight downtrend. It had that big dump a few days ago and then a big recovery. It recovered that pennant shape, downward triangle, however you want to call it. And now at this point, what I'm looking at is this area right here to see if it's going to continue descending or if it can break out. And I have a feeling it's probably going to break out pretty soon. Has a lot of support around those levels, but we'll see where it goes. Currently a $5 million market cap still. The project's still waiting for the approval from Apple. I think it's almost there. I know I've been saying that for a while, but Apple's been holding the project back a little bit. The Pauline Vet app is about to be released pretty soon. Just need that approval from Apple for the Apple App Store. Google Play is already ready. Just need that so that the project can continue to move forward. Doing a quick look at the ecosystem between Bitcoin on base and Bitcoin on virtuals. Bitcoin on base, pretty steady project. $2.3 million market cap at the time of recording this video, with $8,000, just about $8,000 in volume. And it's following this little trend line that I'm seeing. Nothing too huge, no big movement at this point. I can say that Bitcoin on base is at the bottom. Just about a month ago, a little bit over a month ago, they had their new airdrop in less than 2 months for all holders with 2,400 tokens or more. Let's jump on to Bitcoin on virtuals. This one's also forming a very interesting pennant. Bitcoin on virtuals is fairly new, about 3 months, less than 3 months. This project was launched on Thanksgiving, so we're going on 3 months. Pretty soon it's going to be 3 months, 3-month anniversary for Bitcoin on virtuals, with a $556,000 market cap at the time of recording this video. About $800 in volume. So quiet few days for Bitcoin on virtuals, but it's still holding pretty steady. It's forming this massive pennant. I think it's still going to continue to consolidate. It's going to continue to go up and down between this channel that is the $500,000 market cap and the $775,000 market cap. Around those levels is where I see it going up and down. And eventually, I think it's going to consolidate, and then we'll see what happens and where it goes. But I think I see a little bit of an upside checking out the stochastic RSI at the bottom. If you're watching that, looks like there's a little bit more momentum coming for Bitcoin on virtuals. This one's mining Bitcoin. One miner has already been purchased. More coming from what I understand. Let's hope it continues to trade, and from those fees it continues to accumulate, so that they can purchase another miner. Now, my favorite truly meme token. This is BLU on base. Look at that great structure. Had a big pump just about a week ago on the 22nd, 23rd of the month, and it looks like it's been a bit of a sell-off. Definitely would expect it. It's currently at $76,000 market cap. I mentioned this one on my timeline on X at around 12,000 or 15,000. I remember somewhere around that, and it continues to do very well. You're probably seeing a lot of the blue posting on X. Pretty strong community forming, and still a lot of time to go for this to mature. It's a very young project, but to me it has all the fundamentals of a really cool meme coin, and we'll see where it goes. Hopefully breaks the $100,000 market cap soon. I think that just the market is dragging it down a little bit, and the uncertainty of what's going on externally to the project. But there's an app coming, other stuff coming for BLU on base. Keep an eye on this one. Put it on your watch list if you desire. And this is a new one for the multi-token update. This is Baseguard. I got word, or actually started learning about this over the weekend. Baseguard, a pretty cool project. Go check it out. This one is a platform that really gathers all sorts of information from the base chain, and it puts it in one location so that you can do your research there. It really just does security checks. You can even do check out your wallet. You can actually monitor or check other people's wallets and see if they're doing anything shady. I mean, there's so much stuff to go through in Baseguard on the website, and I just think it's fun. I still need time to get into that website and have a little bit more fun. But it launched about a couple months ago, I should say, or about a month ago, and it's what, a $175,000 market cap. Still very early for this one as well. But I think this is a project that has it's essentially like it's utility in itself, right? This is all utility, and obviously there's tokenomics and there's some stuff going on with the token and with rewards and with holding, and it just benefits holders and all that stuff, and you can get into it. You can go check it out. But this is a cool little project, not little, but this is a cool project that's popped up in my radar, and I really like it. And the chart looks really good, right? It looks like it's forming this huge pennant. People are getting to know about the project. I think it's the problem right now. It's that the market is really choppy and a lot of uncertainty. So a lot of people are not as bullish as they would be. But I think this is a project that once people start seeing it, once people start getting to know it, I think it's going to have a lot of momentum going into 2026. It's still early for Baseguard. I think this is definitely a multi-million-dollar project at least, and it'll probably be on its way eventually. So currently at $175,000 market cap, so doing very well. Shout out to the Baseguard team and the Baseguard community. MegaBase Coin. This is one that I've talked about for a while, and it's also a very early project. And I'm usually talking about some early projects here on this channel, but it's because I want to see where these goes. This one still, the chart is a little bit how can I say it? I don't see still like a good form on the chart, if that's a way of putting it. This is the daily chart. I like looking at the daily first, and then look at the 4-hour chart. But it's still early for MegaBase Coin. This is another coin that has some sort of really cool utility where money's going to go to charity, and then also it rewards holders. So this is one that definitely to keep an eye out, but I want to see where it goes. I think also this one's suffering because of the market as well, but we'll see where it goes. As of now, I think it on the short term it broke this downtrend, right, that it had going on. It broke that one recently on the 4-hour chart, and now it's moving a little bit sideways. We'll see where it goes. Currently $1,500 in volume, so not a lot of volume, but the market cap is at $427,000 market cap, so not too shabby. We'll see where it goes, and shout out also to the MegaBase Coin community. And then one more, ELI5A, which is one of my favorite AI projects that I've been following, and it's tied to Shib on Base. Had a little bit of a sell-off after reaching an all-time high, but again, I think the market, if the market would have been a little bit different, I think this all-time high would have gone up into the millions. I'm almost certain of that, just because of what this project is and because it's tied to Shib on Base. And once also Shib on Base starts moving with the release of the app, with more eyeballs on it, with more marketing and all that, this project obviously, I believe it's going to move as well. Currently $368,000 market cap with $2.8 million, which would be $2,800 in volume over the last 24 hours. So June, that's pretty good for how the market is going at this point. All right, so that's your update, midweek update. A bunch of tokens, a bunch of meme coins, a bunch of meme coins with utility, and just projects that you should definitely keep an eye out in your watch list. This is Beto again, Beto on Base. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff for me. I appreciate you. New videos coming next weekend. Stay tuned. Talk to you soon, guys. Better on Base.